The Three Dikgosi Monument, located in the heart of Gaborone, Botswana, honors three visionary chiefs, Khama III, Sebele I, and Bathoen I. These leaders played a crucial role in Botswana's history, traveling to Britain in 1895 to successfully lobby for the protection of their land from British colonization and Cecil Rhodes's influence. The monument features towering bronze statues of the Dikgosi, symbolizing their strength, wisdom, and determination. Today, the site is a proud symbol of Botswana's independence, unity, and the enduring legacy of these three chiefs who shaped the nation's future.